Hello everyone. Now we try to work together to solve all the lab exercise for the week 2. Here is a week 2 exercise. The first part, open the GitHub repository here. So that's GitHub repository. And the second is fork the repository to your own GitHub account, right? You use this one to click this button to fork the repository because I cannot fork another one for myself, right? So I cannot fork this. If I fork here, you're going to see the create a fork. I cannot please choose this one. I cannot fork for myself, right? I cannot fork for myself. You can only fork for the others, but it should be fine to have the only fork. Okay. But you should be able to fork this project for you. After you fork that, you're going to have your own repository. And the second part is to copy this to clone a project onto here, right? So we finish this, close everything. Right, so on this folder, okay, and git clone. Yeah, this is my repository. When you fork it, you are going to have your own repository, right? URL, right? Just create that. Clone this project. Okay, lab demo. Okay, so this week, okay, fork this. And first we do the JavaScript exercise. Go to cd mac cd.js exercise. Okay, because you fork this from internet, so you need to create you need to install the package, right? Type in npm I, install the package. It may take a while to finish the installation, depends on your speed of your computer. Okay, it's installed, right? And we can run the npm test. All four, right? That's normal. Now we look at the first question, an account generator. And the new, let's account name initial balance. So we return a new function, should return a new function. The new function take one parameter account amount, right? Deposit to the account. Okay, so we can have return another function. The function take amount, right? Amount. And what's the function does? The new function should take one parameter amount. The amount each new should return. Okay, so the initial balance. Need to have the balance. Initial balance, and here the balance plus equals amount, right? Okay. Right. This function ensure that the new function correct update return the account balance, return your account your deposit into, and the current balance is okay. copy this line, return this, but we use the template string, right? You deposit amount to your account, so that's their name, right? Account name, and your current balance is, so this balance, right? Okay, let's try, see if it works. Exercise one, we only tested the first one. Right, works. Great. Now we go to the second question. Distributing tips, right? Write function distributing tips help Tom to distribute his tips between food and drink, right? So should return food for, so the first one is food, the second one is for drink, right? And this one is for food as well, right? Okay, distribute tips. Okay. This we can use return the tips args, right? So that is array dot. We use reduce, and the first one is accumulate, and the second one is element, right? Element, and this come to here, and then we have the initial parameter for the reduce, because return the object food drink, right? Okay, and we can have this one food. The initial value should be 0, right? Okay. And now we check, because for the element, the first element comes to the food, the second one comes to the drink, right? So we need to know the index of the element. So we need to add the x. Okay. If idx 2 equals 0, so let's go to the food, right? So the cc dot food plus equals else is cc dot drink plus equals element, right? And return, remember, return ACC, okay? We come to this way, try to see if this works or not. Only the second one dot only, right? Okay, good.